Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at some fully trimmed front seats for the Jaguar XK range. Now specifically these are the bench style seats, and even more specifically they are from the 150 Drophead Coupe model. Now obviously all XKs had bench style seats apart from a select number that left the factory with the racing bucket seats, but the bench style seats, which are the ones left, you kind of go from left to right, join up in the middle, which is very commonly seen. They did vary between the various 120, 140, 150 models, but then they also varied in between the sort of Roadsters and the Drophead Coupes and the Fixed Head Coupes. So these are specifically 150s, and within that range they are specifically from the Drophead Coupes, so just bear that in mind. Although some components are shared, mainly the seat foams, which you kind of tailor to fit during the trimming process. The seat covers did have subtle but noticeable differences, i.e. at a glance they kind of look the same, but they're really not, so just bear that in mind. And what we've done here is our customer supplied us with his seat frames, and we have completely restored the seat covers. Now you'll notice that the frames haven't been refurbished. That's at the request of the customer, but we can offer that service if you like, and please do refer to my other videos where I've clearly done that, so we can sort of sandblast them, treat them, powder coat them and paint them and then trim them. But this customer was happy with the state of these. We've replaced the seat foam paddings, we've replaced obviously the seat covers, we've even replaced the woodwork on the bottom here because it was a little bit worse for wear. And then yeah, obviously fully restored them. Now these are OEM spec for the most part. They're basically leather with Moquette on the back sections here, Moquette being a wool based, almost like a carpet like material that Jaguar commonly used for the backs of their seats and areas like the wheel arches and things like that during this era. But actually the customer has gone for a full leather kit in terms of trim kit, so even all the door panels are leather, which wasn't original for the majority of the cars, which means that actually on these seats here, this panel here and that panel under there, we've even done in leather, which normally isn't the case. They're normally in vinyl on those there. Same again for the element of the retainer at the bottom there. This part here is normally vinyl, but we've done that in leather just to tie it in with the full leather kit that the customer has ordered as an upgrade option. Obviously the piping has been done in Leathercloth as per original specification for these cars. That's the most suitable material for piping. See our handbook blog area on our website for more details on that. But yeah, didn't want to do too much of a sort of video on this because I have done other videos showing trimmed XK seats, but I do like these seats. They are tricky to trim. The cushion bases, the bit your bum goes on, they're relatively straightforward, but the backrests are really quite painful. They're very akin to trimming a boat seat actually, but yeah, the way the pleats have to match up obviously at the bottom can be an arduous process with those. However, it's worth noting, even though we've done it absolutely fine on these ones here, it's worth noting that compared to other car seats, it's not as crucial on the XKs that actually happens. If there's a slight mismatch, it doesn't matter, because actually there's a bit of a distortion when you look at them in the car anyway, and obviously you'd only really be seeing them from this sort of angle here or this sort of angle here, and actually you don't really notice any slight mismatch, shall we say, in the pleats. But you know, it's good to aim to get them how they should be as per that, but it's not the end of the day. Obviously you don't want it mismatch where the pleats in the middle there compared to there, but just bear that in mind. But yeah, they are tricky to trim, so best to let us just do them, I guess. But we're more than happy to help you guys out, or professional trimmers out, if you are getting stuck. We are working on guides, but it's a big process and we want to get the guides absolutely spot on. So in the meantime, just contact us and we can help you on an ad hoc basis. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick video just to show these. In terms of the reference for the colours on these ones, these have been done in cherry red and it's been done in our grained leather. We can also offer smooth for most colours as well, so do see our materials and colours library for more information on that. But yeah, I hope you found that video useful. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Either contact me directly via email or via our website, or of course leave any comments below and I'll get back to you. But thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time.